Hi guys, Charlie here again. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos if you've been watching them. I appreciate the time you've taken out of your day, and I hope that some of the information I give you here is helpful. What I want to talk to you about today is how to stay motivated, how to stay on course, on track with your business. Everyone hits rough spots along the way. It's just part of business. You have days where you're struggling, where you're tired, especially if it's your side hustle. You know, if you've got a full-time job and you're running a business on the side like I am at the minute, then things can get tough. You can have days where you just get home from work and you just want to chill out. Well, one of the best ways I've found, when I first started, let me go back, when I first started my online journey, back last year, the end of last year, I pushed so hard. You know, I wouldn't allow myself time to just chill out and switch off. Every day, you know, I told myself I had to get up. I've got to do something. I've got to put some effort in my business. And don't get me wrong, that's great. You know, you really have got to drive forward, and you've got to have that drive, that desire to achieve what you want to achieve, reach your goals. But something I've found along the way, something that I've learned, is if you do that for an extended period of time, you will burn yourself out. We're only human at the end of the day, and everyone needs some downtime. You know, it doesn't matter who you are, you need downtime of some form. And for me, like, that can be as simple as just switching my device off, coming away from my phone, away from Facebook, away from everything, and just spending some quality time with the family, you know. Going out on the golf course with my mates, playing around a golf or something. I don't do that very often now, but when I do, I enjoy it. And you've got to allow yourself that time. If you don't allow yourself the time to switch off from business, I mean, even when I switch off, I tend to find myself talking about stuff because it's on your mind. You're excited about things. You're driven. You're determined to succeed, whatever it is. If you've got that mindset right, you're always going to be thinking about it, but you need to step away sometimes. You know, I've had a busy week. I've had a week off from my full-time job. I've spent quite a bit of time on my businesses. I've spent quite a bit of time with the family, and I'm back to work tomorrow. Sunday evening now. I'm back to work tomorrow, and for me today, I just wanted to put my stuff down, not worry about the work for today. You know, I've still done a couple of little bits here and there, but I spent the time with the family. We had like a nice film day. You know, the four of us sat down and watched a film together, which I don't think we've ever done. So it's really nice. And you know what? I come into the evening now and I feel re-energised. I feel like I'm ready to go again. So I know I'm going to sit down tonight. I'm going to read a book. I'll probably carry on one of my business books. I always like to be learning, so that's the type of books I'll read. But I'll sit down tonight, I'll read a book, I'll have a chill. I won't worry about my social media content and stuff like that. Obviously I'm doing my video now. I like to try and keep consistent with that, so and it's great to talk on a video and share what I'm learning along the way. So I'm happy to do that. After this, I'm going to shoot off. I'm going to go and read my book. I'm going to have a chill, and get an early night and get ready for the week ahead. You know, and then tomorrow morning I'll get up early, and I'll be straight into my morning routine, planning my day, doing all the things that I do in the morning. If you want to see what I do in the morning, I've got a post on my Facebook profile about that, you know, my morning routine, and you can go and check that out. I'll put a link below so you can go and follow me on Facebook if you want to. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Just give yourself some time. Don't burn yourselves out. Don't push all the time. You need to allow yourselves a bit of time to switch off, do the things that you enjoy. You know, obviously we're all hoping that will come in the future, but your goalposts move. You're always moving your goalposts, so you need to allow yourself time on the journey to just sit back, do the things you enjoy, and switch off, and you'll be much more productive after you've done that as well, and you'll find that your energy levels will be much better. So hopefully you take something from that. I made a mistake at the beginning of not doing that and pushing too hard, and I really wanted to pass that on to you guys and help you. If it sort of stops you doing that, then that's great. So hope you have a nice evening, have a great week ahead. Like I said, it's Sunday here, so go out there, crush it guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching, bye.